Welcome. If you're tired of being asked to confirm every time you archive an email in Gmail, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily disable the confirm before archiving prompt in Gmail's general settings, updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so that the settings are available. Now, look at the very top left corner. You'll see the menu icon, those three stacked lines, also known as the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap it. This opens a side menu with lots of options. Next, start scrolling down. It might be a bit of a scroll depending on how many labels or accounts you have, until you reach the bottom section. Find and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice that each of your email accounts is listed separately. Right under those, you'll see a section called General Settings. Tap on that. This is where you'll find options that apply to the app as a whole, not just one account. Once you're in General Settings, scroll down until you spot a section labeled Action Confirmations. This section controls whether Gmail asks you before deleting, archiving, or sending messages to spam. In this section, you'll see several checkboxes. Look specifically for the one labeled Confirm before archiving. If the box is checked, it means you'll be prompted every time you try to archive. To disable these pop-ups, simply tap the box so the checkmark disappears. That's all it takes. From now on, you won't get those confirmation messages when you archive emails. You're free to keep your workflow smooth and fast, archiving with a single tap. If you ever change your mind, just revisit these steps and toggle the setting back on. Thanks for following along.